The die cut line. So I'm using the same file, but do it for the die cut line. So in here, let me just unlock everything here. So let's say this is original file. So this image, we have the text ready, and in the layer, I'm going to create another layer called die cut. So this die cuts will be the layer that we've been dealing with for die cut line. So basically, it's very simple. You're going to using the pen tool. Pen tool is the first located at the first column, third tool, and then we're using a pen tool. You can choose any color that you want. In this case, I might choose a yellow color, which might turn out very contrast. So in here, right, I can just like select and making the path like this. So you can see that. So because I'm going to create the symmetrical kind of the shape, so I think I'm going to use the reflect tool to help me. Okay, so let's say this one is yellow. Seems fine. So let me just finally slightly adjust it. And then, so let's say we can just reflect it. Just right click, transform, reflect, and then we can have a preview in here, and then copy. So now we have already copied another one. Okay, select this tool, and then we go to Pathfinder. Okay, window, Pathfinder. Use a Pathfinder. So choose Unite. So after Unite ready, the tool shape has become one. So let me just refine it a bit. Just using the pen tool to make some refinement. All right. So let me check. Okay, it seems not bad. So let me adjust it. So now I'm going to select the layer. Okay, this layer. Okay, I'm select the image, outline. So this, let me just so this is a trim line. You can see that it's a die cut line. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this one, the die cut line, and duplicate it. I just press copy, and then go to this layer, image. Let me hide it, the die cut. I select the image, and then go to edit, paste in front. So I will have the same thing, the same outline, exactly like the die cut line. So I will just select this one, and then go to Object, Clipping Mask Make. So you can see that it's exactly look like the die cut line. You see the die cut line is yellow. It's exactly like this. But now we have a we have a one issue like that. Okay, because we have to make the bleed area. The bleed area has to be slightly bigger than the die cut line. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the image. We're going to the image. Let me just go to Object, Clipping Mask Release. We know that this seems fine. Let me just lock this layer. So this is a the outline. It seems fine, but we know that we're going to expand it a little bit. So we go to Window. There's a stroke. You go to stroke. You're going to increase, maybe like 10 to 20, like this, and then you can select the round corner cap. So we're going to make sure it's a line stroke to the center, which is the first one. Okay, so now actually it has already been expanded, the outline. So we're going to select this one, change the outline, go to Object, Path, Outline Stroke. So now the stroke itself, let's say we go to the outline mode, you can see that the outline has become a shape. Okay, outline has already become a shape. So we can select, you can using a direct selection tool, or if in order not to confuse you, I can just create another shape, like I can just roughly just create another shape in here. You can select these two shapes and then go to Unite. Go to Pathfinder, which is Unite. So it turned out slightly bigger. Or else, there's another option which will be easier. Another option is use the direct selection tool, the first tool at second column, select the interior of this one, the path, delete it. It's the same thing. So now you are using back this one. Now let's say I change to other color. You can just take a look at the die cut line. You see the die cut line is slightly smaller. So we're going to use the shape and the image. Let me unlock it. Just now I was locking my image. Shift Command 2, unlock all. And then I select these two. I go to Object, Clipping Mask Make. And then together with my die cut line, you can see that this is my die cut line. Right, and then the text. So I need to select all of them. I go to Type, Create Outlines. So now I have the die cut line and the bleed also. Everything seems good. Then I can do the same thing. Save file. Of course, you have a folding line. Let's say you have any folding line. I forgot to mention. If you have a folding line, you can always like create a dash line. How to create the dash line is very simple. You just need to click on the dash line on the stroke. It will become dash. Let's say I want to have a dash line in here, the folding line. So I'm using the dash line here. Shift key, and here is a dash line. You can even adjust a dash line like 5. So it turns out smaller. If you want to have a folding line, so the printer will understand this is a dash line to fold. Alright, so if everything is good, you just need to save as PDF file. So I will say die cut or L. So these are Adobe PDF file. Save. Same thing. General compression seems good. And then the trim mark, we can just untick it. Okay, untick the use document bleed setting also. Then I save a PDF. So now we can just have a look. Okay, very simple.